Hello everyone. How do we solve this equation? We want to find the value of d. The first thing we're going to do is to transfer d to the right hand side. So we have 3 to the power of d equal to 30 minus d. This implies that 30 minus d is equal to 3 to the power of d. Now, let us divide both sides by 3 to the power of d. Divide both sides by 3 to the power of d. This implies that this whole guy could be written as 30 minus d times 3 to the power of minus d equal to, clearly 3 to the power of d cancel each other here. We have 1 on the right hand side. Now let us multiply both sides by 3 to the power of 30. Multiply both sides by 3 to the power of 30. So that will be 30 minus d times 3 to the power of minus d times 3 to the power of 30 equal to 1 times 3 to the power of 30. This implies that 30 minus d times, we can combine these two guys. They have the same base, so we just add the power. So that will be 3. Let's write 30 first, to the power of 30 minus d is equal to 1 times 3 to the power of 30, 3 to the power of 30. This implies that 30 minus d times, recall that, let's say we have e to the power of ln x. This is equal to x. If we apply this identity to 3, we have e to the power of ln 3 times the power 30 minus d equal to 3 to the power of 30. Let's continue. This implies that 30 minus d times e to the power of ln 3 into the power 30 minus d is equal to 3 to the power of 30. Now, let's suppose we want 30 minus d to look exactly like this power. What do you think we should do? Let's multiply both sides by ln 3. Multiply both sides by ln 3. So that will be ln 3 into 30 minus d times e to the power of ln 3 into 30 minus d equal to 3 to the power of 30 times ln 3. At this stage, we have to record the Lambert W function. It says w of x times e to the power of x is equal to x. If we take Lambert W function of both sides, we have w of this left hand side ln 3 into 30 minus d times e to the power of ln 3 into 30 minus d. Close the bracket, equal to w of 3 to the power of 30 times ln 3. Let's continue. This implies that if we apply this Lambert W function formula to this left hand side, we have ln 3 into 30 minus d. That is, if you compare it, this, our x is ln 3 times 30 minus d. This is x. This is x. Let's continue. This equal to w of 3 to the power of 30 times ln 3. Let's continue. Ln 3 of 30 minus d is equal to w of ln 3 3 to the power of 30 could be written as 3 to the power of 27 times 3 to the power of 3. Using laws of indices, this power rule, a to the power of m plus n equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Let's continue. Lane 3 of 30 minus d is equal to w of lane 3 times 3 to the power of 27 times, what is 3 to the power of 3? That is 27. Close the bracket. Lane 3 of 30 minus d is equal to w of lane 3 times 27, that is lane 3 into 27. Don't forget, this lane 3 stands alone. Let's put it in brackets. Times 3 to the power of 27. Close the bracket. Lane 3 of 30 minus d is equal to w of lane 3 times 27 times. Now, recall that e to the power of lane x is equal to x. So, if you plug 3 here, that means e to the power of lane 3 is equal to 3. Using this identity on this particular 3, we have e to the power of lane 3 times 27, close the brackets, lane 3 of 30 minus d is equal to w of lane 3 times 27 times e to the power of lane 3 times 27. Let's put this also in brackets. Let's continue. At this stage, we have to recall the Lambert W function again, which says w of x times e to the power of x is equal to x. This is the Lambert W function formula. This implies that lane 3 of 30 minus d is equal to, applying this identity to this guy, you will notice that lane 3 times 27 is x. Lane 3 times 27 is x. So all of this becomes lane 3 times 27, lane 3 times 27. Let's continue. Suppose we divide both sides by lane 3. That will be lane 3 into 30 minus d divided by lane 3 is equal to lane 3 times 27 divided by lane 3. Clearly, lane 3 cancel lane 3, lane 3 cancel lane 3. We are left with 30 minus d equal to 27. This implies that d is equal to 30 minus 27. Therefore, d is equal to 30 minus 27, that is 3. This is the required solution. Now, let us check if this answer is correct. Check. The question says 3 to the power of d plus d is equal to 30. So we have 3. What is d? D is 3. 3 plus, what is d? D is 3. 3 equal to 3 to the power of 3, that is 27, plus 3 equal to 27 plus 3, that is 30. You will see that this is exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. That means indeed d is equals to 3 is correct. That's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Have a good one.